All right, so me and Mary have decided that we're going back to Walt Disney. This time we're gonna fully surprise the kids. Last time we told them we were going, they liked it, but they preferred being surprised. So we're gonna surprise them with this Walt Disney trip. Today we're gonna choose what our reservations are for our restaurants. Tomorrow morning we gotta do the reservations, but we gotta come up with a plan. So here's our vacation plan. Get these all over. We are January 5th, 2025. We just dropped off my kids at my parents' place. We're off to go pick up our suitcases. Now this is a long time after those clips that you saw of us preparing and reserving the restaurants. We are leaving. We work tomorrow and we're leaving that night. So tomorrow night we are leaving to Walt Disney. And the kids don't know, so now we have to drop them off because we're going to pick up our suitcases from my cousin's place. And then we're gonna go home, pack the bags, hide the bags, and then we got the whole surprise thing that we're gonna do, which you'll see, because I'm gonna have to hide cameras around the house to film that. Okay, so we just got home. We did some last minute shopping. We picked up some things obviously for our suitcases. We're getting everything ready while the kids are at my parents'.
Oh my God! Mason! I have an email from Santa Claus.
Dear Jade and Eva and Mason, I have good news and bad news. I found the lost presents, but I sent them to the wrong address. Luckily, your parents have planned a vacation and your presents are waiting for you in Orlando. Have fun at Disney World. What? So pack your bags, guys, because you're leaving tonight. Merry Christmas. And remember to be good, because I'm always watching.
I want to go to school tomorrow. Thank you.
What's up? So 12:30 in the morning, we are getting ready to leave to Walt Disney. Our ride is outside. I gotta bring down the bags.
Cette pratique possible avec plaisir. N'oubliez pas que les interdits de fumer à l'intérieur de l'aérogare, ça inclut les cigarettes électroniques. Nous espérons que vous avez bien apprécié votre vol aujourd'hui.
Once you see the blue carpet, you know you've made it. So very much like us, we got lost like 6 times. But now we're going in the right place, right, Jamie? I said very our style, we got lost like 6 times.
You guys got that. So, what we're doing, we're going to Disney World for the 4th time. Me, it's the 3rd, because I was the last one to be born.
We are officially here. Welcome to Walt Disney World, folks.
Filme, né?